Just relax, Mr. Rembert.
It's Rembert.
Whatever. I want you to take a deep breath and just tell me the first thing that comes to mind.
Now?
Now's good.
Amplifier, can't get in the club cause my dance attire. Bouncer outside, told me pull them pants up higher. Other ice cold drink like my hands on fire. Lick a shot, make it tight like a hand of pliers. Now who's the man that can slam dance with ire? Jot this down, this is my train of thought. This what the game is lost, come in the strangest loft. Who knows what's upstairs? I'm just stuck there. Run a bum luck since I first showed up there. Conductor, a fucked up sentence structure out my vocal box. No local stops. How a nigga go Derek for real, hope perspective turn, but I guess I've learned to trust my instincts and wade through the bullshit. Full clip, blah. So that's how you pose it. I dream in widescreen, IMAX format, shine like high beam. You ain't all that. I beg to differ, got the edge, my nigga, like a sledge to the head, that's a hectic liver. I measure myself against the best that did it, so if I fall short, then the rest is midgets. Dog obsessed with digits, about to test the limits. Man, you talk too much, nigga, let's just get it. Sometimes if my mama can see me watching my fuckers like reality TV, then she know I was this weird since I was a little kid. 3, 2, 1 contact, now I drink cognac. Spit the wrong rap, still connect like I'm back. Off track like the train that ran through Gotham. That's why I got a stuttering problem. BK Bomber, TNT. Man, if you got a problem, then you see me.
Time's up, Mr. Rembert. Thanks for your time.